Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Lane's Gaming. And today we are going to be playing Animal Crossing New Horizons. You guys think it hasn't been a while? Well, you were wrong. So one day, like 2 weeks ago, yeah, y'all. Yeah, my dad was playing Monster Hunter. Anyways, I did so many videos and haven't went on it ever since. So, I haven't been on it since like 14 days ago, and I feel bad for my villagers. I really hope they don't think I'm neglecting them. Let's get in. I took a break from it because I've been... Wait. Whimsley? I think that's my brother's YouTube channel name, which, check out. So, sneak peek on the next video. So, you know, this is my brother's page, but he went on Animal Crossing on his, this, so I'm gonna do a video, since he wouldn't let me go on his, I'm not gonna say her name, I think it's Angie's Island, and I was really mad about that, like, why don't you? Like, so rude. That was yesterday, and this is payback time. Next video, I'm gonna be doing a sneak peek right in here. I'm going to be doing sneaking onto her Angie or Logan or Emma's island, which she plays Animal Crossing for a long time. I was like, I need inspiration for my island for my YouTube channel. He's like, no, I wanna click best friend. I don't think he even plays Animal Crossing. Wait, let me see. Yeah, he plays Animal Crossing, but we're gonna see if I can get on anyone. Oh my gosh, she plays for 20 hours or more. It's Emma, and Angie and Logan. So let's play some Animal Crossing now. Sorry, that was a really long intro. Also, we're doing a reboot number 7. Number 7, y'all. I haven't been on Animal Crossing in a while, so let's see what Isabel says. I really hope there was a new villager. Now, we're gonna see what Sky's house looks like. Booyah! Sorry for headphone users, but booyah! We are gonna see what Sky's house looks like. I'm gonna get half, since I love squirrels and foxes so much, I'm gonna do sorry guys, so we're gonna see what Sky's house looks like. Oh, I forgot about the music. I'm in love with it. I usually don't have music on my Animal Crossing stuff, but today we're gonna have some music because I feel like the music is annoying. But when it turns out on other people's Animal Crossing videos, it's like, oh my gosh, that sounds so cool. Sorry for the noise. My brother's Grimsley, I think he posted on the channel. Hello there, everyone. Right now on Horizon, it's fun. What? I said, I'm so sad. I sound so sad. My house is a mess, by the way. I really have to pay off that debt. But yeah. Sorry, let's get back to the thing. Oh, let's check my mail. I forgot how cute I look. Oh, this is my building outfit, so it's gonna be perfect for this occasion. I don't need any of them. Wow, I got 3 when I was... This is my naughty / building outfit. I think it's really cute. I don't think it's naughty at all. Maybe I'm just naughty. I don't know. I just love it to death. So that's I don't want to work on that today. Should we work on this? Because I have a ton of stuff that I'm gonna have to take out of it. Oh yeah, this is all the stuff I need to take out. But we are going. Oh my gosh, I haven't been on Animal Crossing in such a long while. I keep on saying it, but I'm just so happy. Okay. Oh, she put... Oh yeah, I told my sister. She's helping me build island. Thank you, my sis. I can't tell her name because, yeah. But thanks, my little sis. She got us a pool. Which... I'm not gonna keep it there, but she just put it down because she's a nice sister. But we're gonna walk on the boardwalk again. Just gonna walk on the boardwalk. Admiral, I'm not talking to you because I want you to leave. But oh my God. Let's go get this. Okay. Oh! Perfect place to put down all the stuff that I don't need right now. Drop item. Drop item. Drop item. Drop item. My island's a mess. Oh yeah, for my kicking out villagers. I also have to post another one of that, but it's fine. Also, I haven't been on Nookathon in a while. Anyways. Yeah. So we're gonna just keep on going. This is so boring. Awesome. Yeah. Let's just drop this. Oh my gosh. This is being I'm being really boring. I say thanks to everyone who's still here. But oh my gosh. Okay. Today we're gonna be walking on the boardwalk. Right at the boardwalk. Right at... Did you guys ever go to Wildwood? Mostly people don't. But my family every year goes to Wildwood, and we have such a blast. But since the pandemic, self-isolation, COVID-19, coronavirus, whatever you like to call it, we didn't. We go with my grandma's side of the family too. And yeah. Let's see if Sky's in our house. We're gonna just first see if Sky's in our house because doesn't everyone really want to go to Sky's house? Probably people who already have Sky are gonna be like, I saw her house a million times. Please no. Okay, let's go get a customized Jason kit. And we are gonna customize it. I think I already have an idea. Oh my gosh, I missed out so much stuff here. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, Timmy and Tommy. But I can't say hi today. I'm gonna take one more just in case. Also, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway of 20,000 um 20,000 um 20,000 bells, 200,000, sorry, to one player, and so if you want to be that person, just comment down below why you should get the 200,000 bells, which I'm gonna pick someone, and then I'm probably gonna I'm gonna see if and just comment down below what type of messages, not messages, like I'll message you in your thing, and then we just keep gonna message back and forth, and you tell me your doo-doo code, and I'll be there, and if you want me to record, I'll record for you. So yeah, one lucky winner. So oh my gosh, I don't think you guys can hear, but this cat's making so much ruckus. But we didn't even get to the building part yet. Okay, we're gonna go here, and we are going to be customizing it now. Customize something. I didn't even get it. Oh my gosh. But just comment down below, and you have to be subscribed. So say I subscribed, and I can and unsubscribe and unsubscribe again before I get a notification that you subscribed. And yeah, I'm gonna be giving a giveaway, and you don't have to give me anything. It's just a giveaway for you guys. So make sure you do that. So this video is about to be 20 minutes, like probably 25 minutes long, because last video, which was reacting to Animal Crossing's funniest moments, part 2, I'll give you the link in the description of it. So yeah, let's just customize. Okay, customize the store. Let's get light brown. Should we get any of these? I don't like the gift shop one. I'm gonna make a gift shop, but I'm gonna get a better one for the gift shop. I like the green. What do you guys think? I don't know. And also, comment down below if you want me to do a live stream, which I'll tell you what time it is if you guys want me to do a live stream. Because I'm scared if I do a live stream, then no one's gonna be watching, which would be just sad. Can't get any of these patterns either. Oh my gosh, these are such good patterns. Traditional. I like. It takes me so long. Skulls. I don't like these. This is perfect because it's a beachside boardwalk. We're gonna do this one. Hope you guys like it. And also, once my island is finished, I'm gonna be I'm going to what is it? once my island is done, I'm gonna be doing a video. And I'm gonna be doing a video once my island's done of me touring island with one special guest, which is the person who's getting $200,000 too. So make sure you comment down below why you should get both of those. Yeah. Okay, where should I put the stone, guys? I can always change, but I don't wanna. I think there. I really need another stone. No, we don't need island designer. Nah. We're gonna look on DIY recipes. I think I have a ton of wood. I really hope I do. We're gonna go to miscellaneous. We're gonna make another stall because I love this pattern. I'm in love with it. So we're gonna make it all the way down here for like free stuff, which you guys can do. The lucky winner can take some of it. Which we have a ton. I have a ton of DIY stuff that I need to I'm gonna go get the DIY stuff now. So yeah. In every live stream, we're gonna just hang out. It's gonna be very fun. And yeah. So yeah, so we're gonna take all these DIY recipes. They're mostly gonna be probably DIY recipes. My house is a junkyard. There's so much. There is so much stuff. Okay. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I forgot one. Oh, and I have to get the wood. I think I have some wood in here. I probably do. So, yeah. We're gonna get that wood. Let's go into my inventory, go other. I have soft wood and I have hard wood. What's a miscellaneous? Miscellaneous and other, it's the same thing. I hate it. We're gonna have to cut some trees. Not cut, just get some wood from the trees, which I probably don't have time for. Which is the great part about it. This video can be so long. Let's look into my other junkyard. Yeah. So okay. What do I have in here that I need? Nothing. Now oh my gosh, cat. Sorry. I'm gonna make my house into a hotel. I also want to make a food court. I want to make a lot of things, and I just don't have time for it. That's a problem. And they got another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We're gonna need what's 13 times 2? 6. We're gonna need 6. That's really stupid. Right there. But yeah, we're gonna need 6. So do I even have? I don't even have one. We're gonna just go buy one. This is a really long video. This isn't even a rebuild. This is just walking around my island. It's a junkyard right now. We're gonna make a junkyard because that's what we have in New Leaf, and it's cool. Wait, but oh my gosh, I'm so done. I shouldn't be posting once every 2 days, because we have a ton of. I have so much ideas and I don't have time to do them because I'm always so busy. Also, go check out my sister's channel, not Lane's Gaming. That's mine. It's Animal Gaming, which she does Colby. She's my sister, and she's the one who owned the island and stuff, but she quits. I don't know why, because this is such a good game. Not just because it's popular. It's just awesome to play. Yeah. So, okay. We are going to, okay, wait. So I have the, oh my gosh. What is wrong with me today? I keep on forgetting my, and then, okay. It's not even here. One like equals one speech lesson. Oh my gosh. One like means one speech lesson for me. Oh my gosh, I already have enough softwood. Stop. I need hardwood or softwood. I'm more hard. Oh my gosh. Moment of silence. Oh my gosh. This video is so long already. We're gonna make the souls, customize them. Yeah. My islands. Next rebuild is cleanup. Yeah. Clean up. This island is a mess. Oh my gosh. If I pass out, I'm so gonna blame this on Animal Crossing. Okay. We didn't die. Mitch, pass out. Who cares? Just do that. Okay. So this video is long. But I hope everyone's still here. I hope I didn't bore you to death. Oh my gosh. You should see the look on my face. I'm so annoyed. Why can't I just buy wood? Probably gonna go on Lookazon and buy a ton of simple wood. How much wood do we even have? We only have 7. Wood. Just regular wood. I hope that's the last thing I'm ever gonna have on killing this game. Okay, we got 2 more. At least that's good. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm doing a giveaway. You have to unsubscribe to my channel if you already subscribed. And before I can get a notification that you subscribed, so okay, I think that's enough wood. Now let's just make one more and then I'm gonna end this video. And you will see next time I'm gonna be cleaning up my whole island, which I'm going to one spot, to one spot, to one spot, doing it because I'm so done with that. So, time to explore bench. Let's craft. We can only craft one. Come on. Wasn't that suffering? To only craft one. And I look ugly. Don't look at me. I'm hideous. Oh no, I need to customize it. Oh my gosh. What if you can customize a customization kit? I'm gonna make it natural. I'm gonna make it light brown. Pattern. Playful. When I get this, let's customize it. That is the most. I keep on saying this, but it's so beautiful. Okay. How much does it take? It takes one each. Because I bought 6. So, yeah. I love recording with you guys. Just so fun. Okay. Okay, and then we'll put only 4 votes stuff there. I'm suffering. Not because of the game. Because how much duplicates I get. So, oh my gosh. Okay. I already know all of these. Like, that's how much I know. Okay, so when you go to my boardwalk, it's still in construction, as you can tell. But when you come here, you see the gaming area where you play some football, this, arcade games, and a gumball machine. Then these 2 bears. I can't believe this is the Papa Bear and this is the Mama Bear. It's so crazy. And then you see a lot of free DIY recipes. Some more duplicates. Then over here you have some cotton candy. Then the end of this one. And then you have a secret pathway over here, which brings you to Blather's bookshop. I saw a really cute idea, and this looks so cute. And he's gonna have a very special area just here for him, which is gonna have gold items, which I don't have any yet, but I'm gonna have some. Do you understand me? Thank you. And there's gonna be like tea here. It's gonna be cute. I should make a tea shop too. I'm making a food court too. I'm probably gonna I wanna see if we can get to 100 subscribers before I finish my islands. I really hope I can. Because I've been working on this for 3 weeks and I only have 8 subscribers, which is really good. But not as I was expecting. But it's fine. It's fine. Totally fine. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, like, subscribe, and share. See you guys next. Oh, also the giveaway. And the person who has the giveaway get to come to this island and we get to tour together. So yeah, I think that's a pretty good deal. You get 200,000 pounds with it. So yeah. And if you want me to record a little video of going to your island and maybe you want me to tour it with you, who knows? Well, also, before we end this video, we are going to be, if you ever want me to go to your island and tour it on YouTube, just let me know. I toured a friend on Nickerson's Island. It got some views. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. See you guys next time. Finally. Bye. Sorry.